Samsung is rumored to be releasing a more affordable variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and a new report reveals that one of the differences to anticipate is the absence of support for the S Pen. Recent weeks' worth of reports have contributed to the consensus that Samsung plans to release a second, ostensibly more affordable and entry-level version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 later this year. Although the precise price point that Samsung is aiming for remains undisclosed, insights are beginning to emerge regarding the factors that could potentially differentiate the two models. Samsung, according to ET News, intends to discontinue support for the S Pen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is more affordable. This would not be a simple software block, rather, it requires a specialized digitizer for the S Pen. By eliminating this functionality, Samsung reduces its expenditure on physical hardware. The report further states that Samsung is anticipated to modify additional components and performance. Presumably, additional cost-cutting measures may consist of utilizing cheaper camera hardware, providing less storage or memory, or employing a less potent chipset. New information has emerged concerning the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which allegedly will have the codename Q6A. Additionally, two codenames associated with the standard Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 were discovered. However, if this rumor is to be believed, it appears that the information we have previously received is legitimate. Although we currently have no information on these new phones, it is noteworthy that the codenames correspond to the company's branding. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.